With only lip liner and lipstick, we are going to achieve this look. So kindly subscribe if you want to do your lips under budget, guys. So before we go any further, we are going to use my lip balm to exfoliate my lips. Then we come up with the lip liner, the black lip liner, guys. So you just need to trace your lips, trace the shape of your lips. You don't need to do anything extra on that, just simple tracing like what I am doing. Exactly on the outer side corners, we are going to trace like a V like shape to make it look a natural look. So as I'm going, I'll be rubbing my lips together, then I'll put my lipstick in number 720. I put it in discherm like how I'm doing. I just put the lipstick exactly on the mid to avoid to put the whole mouth, the whole lips, sorry. Then I'll go back with my lip liner, guys. So I'm just showing you that only two things can do it, but this is optional. I'm going with my concealer to trace. It's just to make my lips go in shape in case you lose shape when you were tracing. So this thing, it's just optional, but for me it makes a big difference. So I have gone with my concealer, tracing in my flat brush, tracing neatly like what I am doing. And I have decided to go with a lighter concealer just on top, on the upper line of my lips. So I just use two different concealers, which is optional, guys, just the extra that I am doing. So if you have concealer, you can do that. It is optional. But if you don't have, or if you don't want those process, you don't need to do it. Then I'll go with my beauty blender just to blend the messes out. Wow, guys, see the outcome. I'm just loving the outcome. See how neat the lips are looking, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe for more videos. Your subscription means a lot to me. Support me. Bye.